I'm at the marina again. What's with that? Well, it's February 12th, and what can I say? I just love boating. I gotta come and see the boat. Also, there's gonna be over a foot of snow tonight. So that's what's 35 centimeters. So that's a good time to come over and walk in this right now. So come and have a look with me and see what's happening with my updates there with regards to getting prepared for the Georgian Bay boating vacation this summer. Search and rescue team practicing at Patriot Island, just oh gosh, exactly where my dock is. Oh, we're ready to enter the tent and take a look at the boat. Yeah. Is this my boat? No, there's no thrusters. Oh, that's the one. Hey, gracias. Did you miss me as much as I miss you? Let's get aboard. And I'm back at the boat. So yeah, like I mentioned, February 12th, it's really cold. It's minus 10 Celsius. You know, soon enough, we're gonna hear the rumbling of the tractor pulling me out in the water, and that's gonna be a good day. Can't wait to hear those rumbling again. Essentially, I got my AC filter cleaned up, so I'm good to start for the summer, and then I'm still looking for a filter that's changeable. So yeah, I got some tips there from other boaters. Thank you very much for that. I'll certainly be doing that, save some money there. And other than that, I also, well, in the last 3 years, I've been preparing for that vacation of sort. One of the things that I've done is just installing a water filter system. So that's going to be very helpful. I'll add a few more videos on that. And the other thing that I've been preparing for is the paperwork. And I got everything in this binder here that was fantastic. So yeah, I mean, for instance, when I look inside, I got all my cards here. And then one of them is where it's the restricted operator certificate, where I just use the CB. The other thing is my outdoors card there for fishing. The other one is the pleasure craft operator cards. We each have one in the family. So they're all located here. There's a copy in the dinghy as well. So, you know, if the police stops us on the dinghy, I mean, I don't want to carry this everywhere. And plus there's a copy there. So, but what do we need to bring on the boat and on the dinghy? It's all written in here. And also in red is where the things expire, and then I have to renew them, such as all the fishing licenses, the health cards, the passports even, because sometimes we might be just off course a bit and headed in the United States, so yeah. And also the fire flares, right? So we want to make sure that those are and extinguishers. So every year I update this. I'm in the process of doing that right now. And what's in here, for instance, like, okay, so let's say I'm on the boat. Everything is going well, and then all of a sudden there's a problem, a big problem, either from my end or I hear someone else's problem on the CB. So what do I say? How do I respond? So when I took the course, I took notes and I wrote, and I got everything written down in here. So there's two ways if I hear or if I need to call someone because it's a mayday life-threatening situation. I can either use my VHF or I can use my phone with star 16. So but with star 16 you only get to talk directly to the Coast Guards, whereas we all know, well, most of us know that with the VHF there, you call the boaters around you plus the Coast Guard. So but what do I say? So if it's me who needs to call for an emergency, all I need to do is just pick up my binder, which is right here beside me in the cockpit, and I will just repeat what I wrote. It's I can do it right now. So it would be Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is gracias, gracias, gracias. Mayday, gracias. We are located 2 kilometers east of Petrie Island on the Ottawa River. We are taking on water. Gracias is a 34-foot sea ray with a white hull and brown camper top. We are 2 adults and 2 children. We are abandoning ship and boarding our dinghy. Gracias, over. On the other hand, if I hear a mayday, 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 what do I respond? So it's written right here again on the binder. And there's also the pan, pan, pan. So yeah, I feel very equipped having that knowledge to know what to say and to be professional on the water. And just say it one time, not occupy too much airspace. So yeah. And the other things that I carry on that binder, it's the boat insurance. So I got all the coverage in there, and I also have the bill of sale for the boat. The same thing for the dinghy and for the motor on the dinghy. And again, there's a copy of this inside the dinghy as well, in a waterproof pouch inside a backpack. The zippers are not quite ready yet. Another week or so, I hear. So it's all good. I'm covered here, so I'm not desperate for them. The other thing that I got ready is I bought brand new batteries for the bow thruster, the stern thruster, and then the 2 motors. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 8 batteries in all. The other thing that is in progress are the belts for the motors. Same thing for the generator down there. So yeah, getting ready. I got new spark plug wires down here on both motors. Yeah, so bit by bit, we're getting ready for that vacation. It's nice to have the time. I got until May 15th to do so. And the other thing I'm gonna have to do is just clean up the canvas here. So I'm gonna zip everything out, bring it home, and just clean everything like really thoroughly. So, and same thing with the carpets. I did that last summer, but yeah, could need a bit of cleaning. Why not, right? At the same time that I'll bring the canvas home, I'll do that. It's always fun. I mean, it's not a chore at all to clean the boat. I mentioned it before in another video. I just enjoy it, especially that I'm retired. I got all the time and to do all of that stuff. So yeah. Another thing I want to do is just clean everything that's in here. I never like leaving the boat, but I'll have plenty of time with it, on it, to enjoy it all summer long in the beautiful long 6 to 8 week vacation on the Georgian Bay, leaving from Ottawa on the Ottawa River onto the Rideau Canal with about 45 locks, which is 200 kilometers long, and then reaching Trenton, going up the Trent Severn Waterway, about 400 kilometers long, another 45 locks or so, and then just enjoy the Georgian Bay. There's like over 30,000 islands over there. I've already looked into Google satellite, Google Maps, and all kind of different spots to go anchor down and just go explore. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. So I can't wait. I'm imagining I might meet some fellow boaters on the water. I mean, I don't have a specific timeline that I'll be going there. Probably leave around mid-June. So I should be in the Georgian Bay about, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks later or something like that. 4 weeks later, mid-July-ish, I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, it's gonna be absolutely great. I'd like to visit Killarney and the Manitoulin Islands and all that spot over there. Wow, oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm glad I'm bringing Dingada, the dinghy. So go explore with that too. Yeah, I feel ready. I got I got 3 years of experience on this boat. So I did the Rideau Canal about 3-4 times. So yeah, I know how to change stuff. The duckbill valves, the toilet, the head system, and whatnot. So yeah, I'm ready to go. That's gonna be fantastic. my friends, as summer is coming along slowly but surely, I'm gonna keep updating stuff on the boat and keep you guys appraised. And yeah, with that, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.